Of tomorrow's storm. Two statewide tornado drills are now going to take place on Friday. They were scheduled for tomorrow as part of Tornado and Severe Weather Awareness Week. The drills provide an opportunity for the public to get themselves ready in the event of an actual severe weather situation. According to the National Weather Service, Wisconsin averages 23 tornadoes annually, and 33 were confirmed last year.
At 6:45 p.m. in the evening, we have another test tornado warning, and that's for families to, again, practice their plans at home with the kids and everyone in the family so that they're ready for the upcoming severe weather season.
All right, that one's at 6:45. Businesses and schools are arranging to practice a tornado drill Friday at 1:45 in the afternoon.
There are many factors